Okay, even though they didn't took it down the deal tags, I'm gonna buy 2 of these. They $5.29 each. I got a 4 off 2 digital, but I'm gonna get back $5 for this, and I'm gonna roll that $5 into my next transaction, which I need is laundry care. Okay, the $5 I get from this, I'm gonna roll it to get this big Purex laundry detergent. I have a $9.99 CVS out coupon that I pay for this big jug, and it's 128 ounces, 85 loads. So with my $5 coming off, I pay $4.99 for this, which that's a great deal, fam. So combined with these two here, my total out of pocket subtotal should be $11 for these two. So let's check out. Okay, fam, I done made it home from CVS. Remember, I always told you, whenever you in need of something, if you have any digitals that will come off to lower your out-of-pocket for whatever you need, do that deal first. So I bought the Colgate. They had spend 10, you get a $5 extra buck back. I had a 4 off 2 digital that came off. Plus I had like 41 cents that was still left on there. So that came off. So these was $5.29 a piece minus the $4 off 2 digital plus my 41 cent. That brought my total to $6.17. I got my $5 extra buck back, which made these cost $1.17 for 2. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see the 4 off 2 digital and the 41 cent. 2% back, extra bucks reward. That brought it to $6.17. Subtotal out of pocket, I got back my $5 extra buck. That made it $1.17 for these two. So I rolled the extra buck that I got from here to what I actually need, and that was some laundry. Okay, CVS had in my app where I can pay. This originally cost $14, but they had in my app where I can buy it and get for $9.99, I believe, this huge Purex. It's 128 ounce, 85 loads. And I rolled the extra bucks that I got from here to here, which made this cost $4, fam, and 99 cents. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. They took $3.80 off, which brought it down to $9.99. And the $5 extra buck that I got from there, which made this cost $4.99, fam. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. I went in there with $11.